Welcome to a research word in 1 minute. Research word number 17, automatic, adjective. American pronunciation, automatic. Au-to-ma-tic. Automatic. British pronunciation,
Automatic. Au-to-ma-tic. Automatic.
meaning. Automatic means working by itself with little or no direct human control, and done or occurring spontaneously without conscious thought or intention. Common usages in academic writing that you need to know are automatic process, automatic detection, and automatic response. Example sentence, automatic, adjective. Google uses an automatic blurring technology to obscure the faces of people captured in Google Street View. Example sentence number 2. Automatic cars can switch gears without direct action from the driver. The variation of automatic in academic writing that you need to know is automatically, adverb. The system automatically prints a receipt. Now you can use automatic confidently in your research. Please click like and subscribe below, and I'll see you in another video. Bye!